holographic action.
Welcome back to the channel. Do you notice anything different, Ibrahim? Maybe in this region? Oh yeah, bloody beautiful. What do you think, the red ones or these ones? I don't know. Bloody these ones, that's what. Right, today we are going to be changing. Wait, no, not changing, but adding a blow-off valve. Let's have a little look at this. Have a little look at this. Oh, look at that. Forge Motorsport. As you see what comes in the box. Comes in the box. Oh, look at that. 3 new bolts in this. Right today. Righty-hoo. So this is a very easy procedure. Let me just open it up and I'll show you. So pretty much what we're doing, all we're doing is going to be adding it. There's nothing to change. It's just the hellfire. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yes. So this engine is the 1.4 TSI 122 brake. This is the single turbo one, right? So this, if you have the 160 something brake 1.4 TSI, which is turbocharger and supercharger, it might not look like this, it might look a bit different, but this is for this one. So all you want to do is put this down, get a T30, and you want to just undo that, and that. I'll show you now. I shall show you now. This one here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Sure. And this one here. So now, pretty much this is just gonna go in this. And that's all there is. Wondering which way. I think, yeah, this way. Get the holes up here and then shove it back in. Yeah, like this. Like this. Right, one sec. Yeah. And now it comes with its new longer bolts in this kit, which are not which are not Torx. Wait, would it still work though? Yeah, it'll still work. The little Allen keys. Shove that in there. Have that in there. So I think this will be the first engine mod of this car, because it's all been cosmetic so far. Changing this, changing that. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Semi-tight, tight. Yes. Right, are you ready, Ibrahim? think he'll start. So I recorded a before clip and I'll put that now here and then this in an after. So now we'll go for a drive and then see if we can hear it. If we can't hear it as much, I think I'll remove this. See this, Ibrahim? See this little, I don't know what it's called. But if we can't hear it as much, we'll remove that. Can't hear it as much. Yeah, not as much. Yeah, it's dead. Dead. We'll take that thing off. See these clips, Ibrahim? That's what you want to pull down. Just take all the clips out and it should just pop out. Okay. We'll go for another drive. See it now? Oh, you can hear it more. Yeah, that. Oh yeah. Oh, you can hear it well more. Yeah, that. Oh yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. Yes. Hold up. Wait a minute. Ah, yes. If you want it to, what's it called? If you want to hear it a bit more, you'll have to take that out, because if you leave that in, you pretty much can't hear anything. You can barely hear it. So take that out, and then you will be able to hear it. So I'll put the, I always forget this bit. I'll put the item in the link. Go on, Ibrahim, say it. What did they say? I'll put the link description below. I'll put the item behind in the thing, just scroll down and it's there in the comments.
I'll put the item in the description box below.
I'll put the item in the description box below. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Here's a good one. Yeah. See you in the next one.